The iPhone 14 Pro Max isn't just the most powerful phone around. It's a joy to use thanks to the clever new dynamic island for displaying notification and live activities. Apple's largest Pro model also delivers fantastic cameras including a new 48 megapixel main shooter and always on display compelling action mode for video and obscene battery life. It's pricey, but it's also the best phone money you can buy. When I picked up the iPhone 14 Pro Max for the review, I noticed two things immediately. The first is that the notch has been replaced by a P-shaped cutout, and the second is to offer faster charging that matches what rival phones provide. And while I personally can live without a SIM card tray, international travelers may be frustrated not being able to just pop in a new SIM when they land. Some carriers simply don't support eSIM functionality yet. Overall though, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is a beast of a phone that's pro-level powerful while also being a joy to use. It's the best phone you can buy, period.